Welcome to Rental Ninja app. We're excited to have you on board. This onboarding video will guide you through the app's main features, so you can start managing your rental business on the go. Upon logging in, you'll see the main screen with a quick view of the menu and all the different tabs related to it. Bookings. Here, you'll find a range of information depending on your role. As an administrator, you'll have access to everything. The Booking tab contains general booking information. Once you click into a reservation, you'll see 5 tabs with the following details about the booking. Information tab. Here you will find a quick overview of the details of this client and their booking tags. Payments. In this section you can manage and view the status of all payments made by the client. You can also attach photos to payments to keep track of invoices and receipts. Tasks. Create and access tasks for the reservation. All tasks created for this reservation are accessible to every user, so your operations team can always stay updated. Notes and comments. Add notes and comments to bookings. Administrators and rental managers can delete comments, and you can mention people involved. Pictures. Upload photos of your rental, filter them by booking or rental, and use it to store important documents like passports. Back to the main menu under the Calendar tab. View and filter all your bookings as per your convenience, and find information easily. Reports. Find relevant statistics and metrics from your company. It's intuitive and easy to follow, providing valuable insights to take decisions accordingly. In this new version, you can download all the information to send it over to your partners. Rentals. View all your rentals and their specific information. You can filter them by name and view future, past, or canceled bookings, view the media and information. You can also block dates, which can only be done by administrators, rental managers, or the rental owner. Tasks. You can now view your tasks and track their status with the color scheme, making it easier to operations team to identify what tasks are pending to do. Follow the company's operations under Team Jobs, so you can see the operation volume of your team. We have also provide high-end roles to inspect tasks, giving them more control of the daily operations. The Calendar and Resources Calendar provide a clear notion of where your company is currently at. You can drag and drop tasks easily. Admins can create and schedule jobs from the mobile app, so you always on the go. Guest module. Configure and set up the guest module from your app. Add your company logo and information. Activate the pre-check-in firm per rental and select the frequency you desire to be implemented. In the following tab, activate the properties and add relevant information. Also add any images in case your channel manager does not provide them to us. Edit the guide from your mobile app and make it easy to change and modify any latest news from anywhere. Timeline. In this section you can access all the real events happening in your company. You can track anything that changes at any time. Filter them by type or property to stay up to date. Media. Access all the relevant photos and bookings and rentals if you need to find any specific image. Alerts. The Alerts tab displays important notifications, such as missing payments or outstanding balances. Keep track of any issues that need your attention. Chat. Keep all conversations in one app. Share images or documents, create groups, and keep professional conversations in one location. Settings. Here you can find your profile settings and customize it as you need. Security and change passwords. Configure your notifications. Important to keep up to date. Add team members. Configure and set permissions, so you know everyone is involved. Manage your booking tags. To provide more precise details. These are the main features of Rental Ninja app. We hope this onboarding video has been helpful in getting you started. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help you manage your rental business efficiently and effectively.